All right, guys, if you're on the market for a perfect size small SUV that's got the power, it's got the looks, and also very sensible when it comes to fuel, well, look no further. We've got you covered. So today we've got this beautiful 2018 BMW X3 30D M Sport, finishing this beautiful carbon black metallic. Now, this car is now live on our website at signaturecarspecialist.co.uk. It comes with some amazing features, which includes a pan roof, head-up display, full leather interior with leather on the dash, and all sorts. And we're going to show you that as we walk around the car. It comes with a 3-liter diesel engine producing around 265 PS, which is quite a lot of power, and it's got an amazing torque as well. So if we start around the front here, you can see the whole car has been fitted with the M Performance styling kit all around the car. So you got the kidney grills in gloss black. You also got this aggressive front splitter, and here you got the BMW LED adaptive LED headlights, and then around here you got this beautiful 19-inch alloy wheels. They've been powder coated. There's no marks, no scratches whatsoever, and you also got the blue calipers and some premium tires all around the car. As we walk around the side profile here, you've got the M Performance mirror caps. At the bottom here, you've got the side skirts in gloss black. You've got gloss black window surrounds, rear privacy glass, and more importantly, you've got the pan roof and the roof rails in gloss black as well. As you can see, the car from the side profile looks really, really beautiful. And as we come around the back here, you've got the boot spoiler, and then here it's all you got the aggressive rear diffuser and gloss black with the quad exhaust tips, just to give you that aggressive X3M look. And you also got the LED rear taillights. Now let's just jump into the interior of this car. So as we come around the interior here, you've got the full leather interior. So you got the leather on the dash, full leather front and rear seats, and you also got the blue stitching, which pops, by the way, and the interior is very beautiful and clean. The front seats are electric and heated as well, and you can just see it's very spacious around the front. Around the back here, you got plenty of leg room and headroom as well. And you also got rear isofix, and you can see the beautiful stitching there and ambient lighting all around the car. Around the back here, you've got power operated tailgate with a huge amount of space here in the boot. But obviously, if you want more space, you can always fold the rear seats and you have more space. Once you're done, you just click that there. And as you can see from the back end, the car looks really aggressive with those quad exhaust tips and the body kit. And as we come around the side here, you can see the black on black. So the carbon black and the black body kit go so well together, and the black wheels as well. Now let's just step inside the driver's seat. So as we come to the driver's seat here, you can see there's no marks, no scratches on the leather, on the bolster. It looks really, really great. So it shows the car's been well looked after. You've got the chrome buttons around your dash there. The interior is very clean. Everything works as it should. As I step in here, you've got the multicolored ambient lighting. You've got the memory driver's seat here. And as I start the car, you've got the head-up display. You've got the leather dashboard, which you can see with the blue stitching. Looks really, really beautiful, by the way. And you've got the digital driver's cockpit. And then here you've got full touchscreen satellite navigation with the rear view parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. You've also got DAB, FM, AM music collection, CD and Bluetooth audio, and you've got multicolored ambient lighting. So you've got different colors to choose from depending on your mood. So you've got all these colors to choose from, like I said, depending on how you're feeling. And then here you've got dual climate control zone with the front heated seats with 3 levels, and then you've got all these other buttons to show. And then here you've got 2 cup holders, which you can see there. And then here you've got this is where you control your iDrive. Just turn that off. And then this is where you control your driving mode. So you've got Eco Pro, you've got Comfort, you've got Sport. So if you look on the screen there, so you've got Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, Individual, and you can configure Individual. So you've got damping, steering, engine, transmission. So you can change that from Sport Plus, Sport, or Comfort, depending on how you're feeling. And then here you got this beautiful M Sport steering wheel with the paddle shifters. This side it's for your cruise control and speed limiter, and just shows that this car has got adaptive cruise control. This side for volume, answer phone call, and voice control. Now, if you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to give us a call. One of my colleagues will be more than happy to help you in terms of booking a viewing, booking a test drive, or you just want some general knowledge for the car. It's a really good spec car. It's got the pan roof, it's got adaptive headlights, it's got head-up display, full leather interior, all sorts that you really need. And also included in the price, it comes with 6 months RAC Platinum warranty, which covers mechanical and electrical It's the highest level you can get from RAC. And then on top of that, it comes with 12 months of road assistance, just to give you the peace of mind. And if you're interested, the car is now live on our website at signaturecarspecialist.co.uk. We'll see you on the next one.